Ghana is increasingly harnessing space science for agriculture, weather forecasting, and resource management while fostering private sector engagement, international partnerships, and investment in satellite communications and Earth observation. The Made in Ghana Space Conference 2025 in Accra underscores the country's growing commitment to becoming a regional hub for space innovation, advancing sustainable development and participating in the wider African space economy through coordinated operations and space applications development.
Ghana's space science ambitions are expanding rapidly, with increasing focus on private sector engagement, international partnerships, and investment opportunities in satellite communications and Earth observation. At the Ghana Space Conference 2025, stakeholders emphasized how space technology can strengthen sustainable development, improve resource management, and create new economic opportunities for Ghana and the wider African continent. Chief Executive Officer of the Environmental Protection Agency, Professor Nanama Brown Kluche, said greater coordination in the use of satellite data can save the country millions of cedis in duplicated imaging and environmental monitoring.
We've gone over 8 years, in fact, over 10 years, I would say, and we have not been able to coordinate this, which means that budget that you use to procure that image, put it aside, give it to Ghana Space. That's different institutions' budget. Just put it aside, give it to Ghana Space. So one procurement costs from just one institution, then we process it differently for that. The country saves money.
Mr. Kwekusuma, Managing Director of Space Hubs Africa, noted that the inauguration of the African Space Agency in Cairo signals the continent's readiness to fully participate in the global space economy and urged Ghana to seize the momentum and position itself as a leader in Africa's next technological frontier.
Ghana has a lot of very talented people, talented youth, talented engineers, researchers. We have it all within Ghana. What we need is the political backing to move into a mode where we are, as a nation, moving together forward and making the most out of these technologies. If we look across Africa, recently the African Space Agency was inaugurated in Egypt and headquartered in Cairo. What we're seeing is that Africa as a whole is waking up to the potential of space and satellite technologies, and we, Ghana, must be part of it.
Focusing on youth inclusion, Mr. Albert Forson, the IAU National Education and Outreach Coordinator, encouraged Ghanaian students to take active roles in the nation's space journey. Speakers on the panel concluded that Ghana's future in space will depend on coordination, policy support, and continuous investment in youth capacity development.